How to make money in 2024 as a beginner. In this video, we will talk about the best ways to earn money which are relevant right now. So be sure to watch this video to the end, so you will find out which way of earning passive income in crypto is the most suitable for you. Let's get started. Well, what is trading? Trading is considered as a way to earn money on price changes of some assets. For example, when the price goes low, you buy it. When the price goes high, you sell it. Trading in its long history has developed different styles of trading. For example, scalping, day trading, swing trading, or long-term investments. For example, scalping is the best way to make deals fast, and you can make a lot of deals in a period of one day. But when it comes to risk, it's not the best option. But when we talk about long-term investments, it is the safest way to earn money, but not that fast. The main differences between these styles is when you trade by scalping, you can make lots of deals in the period of one day. When it comes to swing trading, your deal can last from some days to some weeks. And long-term investing means that you can buy and hold your assets for a period of months or even years. Trading is always followed by risk, and it is much riskier activity than even gambling or going to casino from my experience. But there are several ways of how to risk less. For example, never put much percent of your deposit into one deal. 5% of your deposit is not that little. Then never play too much with your leverage, and make sure that the more percent of your deposit you invest, the less leverage you use. And never ever go into a deal without the stop loss. Okay, you made a decision that you want to trade. Never forget about following crypto influencers that can move the price on markets only by their tweet. Like Elon Musk as the man that has a great influence on crypto community, or Gary Gensler that is head of regulating authority. Also follow some crypto media or Telegram channels that can provide you with fundamental news or situation on the market. This way of earning money in crypto I'll recommend as the most suitable for beginners. Let's talk about long-term investments. Long-term investing means that you buy and hold your assets for months or even years to benefit from overall market growth. In crypto, it is called holding assets on spot. Well, if you decided to become a long-term investor, the first question that arises is what should you add to your portfolio. In this case, you should consider how you want your portfolio to be risky. The most conservative portfolio consists on 75% of Bitcoin and 25% of some stable coins like USDT and other ones, to buy Bitcoin on market dips. If you want your portfolio to be more profitable, then you should add some altcoins beginning with large ones like Ethereum, Solana or other ones, ending up to some even meme coins. Well, if you want to add some altcoins to your portfolio, which ones should you choose? As you might have heard or noticed, Bitcoin have some cycles with up and downs. In every Bitcoin cycle, there are some altcoins that perform better than the other ones. For example, in 2019 to 2023, Solana was an example of such best performing cryptos. In this cycle, the most performing ones are Telegram network related ones and AIs. So be sure to add some of these to your portfolio if you want your portfolio to be a little bit riskier but a little more beneficial. Well, you have chosen coins that you should add to your portfolio. Where should you hold them? As I personally recommend, centralized exchanges are the most convenient option but not the safest. There are lots of examples when heads of centralized exchanges just stole users' money. So the best option to choose for a long-term investor is cold wallets. For example, no person can access your assets when they are stored on a cold wallet such as USB flash drive. Staking means that you lend your crypto to some crypto networks that use it to validate their transactions in return of rewards for you. So if you want to start making passive income in staking, where should you begin? First, choose which coins should you stake. You can do it by following a simple principle. First, consider current cycle trend. For this Bitcoin cycle, it is Telegram network tokens and AIs. Second, check how often do developers make changes to their network to make sure that the product is still alive. And the third thing that you should assess is that this coin has strong community on social media. Okay, on which platform should you stake your coins? You can stake your coins on centralized exchanges or dedicated platforms like Lido or Rocket Pool. To assess the returns of staking some coin, you should consider staking yield, token inflation, staking period, and network activity. If these words mean nothing to you, then you can just Google some staking calculators on the internet. That will help you calculate your returns. But as any crypto activity, staking has some risks. For example, there can be some problems with the network, or the token price can go down, or you can simply could not withdraw your assets because of the lockup period when you really need them. To secure these risks, try to use platforms with strong security, diversify your staked assets, and avoid staking during volatile market periods. Okay, you decided that you want to earn money in staking. Which is the minimum amount of money that you should invest? Well, it depends by the coin. For Ethereum 2.0 staking, it was 32 Ethereums. On other networks, the initial capital can be much lower. But to get substantial results, I'll recommend you to use the minimum of $1,000. And now we are going to my favorite part of making passive income in crypto. Trading bots. How can you earn money laying on your sofa? Usually bots take into consideration some strategy and trade by it. Bots can make many deals in a period of 1 minute, or they can make just a deal in a period of months, based on how many data they take into consideration, which time frame, strategy they use, and many other factors. Usually trading bots take many risks from you. For example, bots get off emotions from your strategy, and also they can miss a deal because they are very busy with their friends or family. But also, as in any other crypto activity, they can be risky because of some factors like the chosen strategy and the leverage they use, and the coin that can be manipulated by market makers too. Also, trading bots have such parameter as a maximum drawdown, which means how much money can you lose in a certain period of time. And the thing that you want to hear from me the most, how much trading bots can earn? Well, it depends on your strategy and chosen time frame, and your deposit can go up or down, but usually profits around 1 or 5% without leverage are considered decent. And always keep in mind that bots just implement your strategy. If the strategy doesn't make any profits, then your bot will not make it too. As an advice, get a working strategy and prefer high volume markets and coins such as BTC, Ethereum, and some large altcoins. By the way, if you have thought about using a trading bot for your purposes, then my team and I can help you with this. We will develop a crypto bot specifically for you and your goals. You can see more details in this video, or by writing to me on Telegram, all links in the description. Probably you've never heard of this way of earning passive income in crypto. You can make yourself a passive income source by running a blockchain node. In this type of activity, you run a server that helps other crypto networks and you get rewarded for it. There are two ways of how you can earn money by running a blockchain node. The first one is when you help current networks like Bitcoin validate their transactions in proof-of-work systems, or help with staking large capital in proof-of-stake networks. The second way is when the project want to go to markets and you help it test the problems, so you get generously rewarded. It is one of my favorite ways of earning money in crypto because it is consistent in a long-term perspective and you really help the crypto community. How to find promising projects? First, you need to follow reputable launchpads. Then, you should research development teams. Also, you need to keep an eye on blockchain incubators. Also, you need to monitor social media and communities such as Reddit or X, aka Twitter, to get early stage rumors. Okay, you found some projects. What are the next steps? First, you need to check if this project matches current market trends, as I said before in the video. Then, you need to check developers' team backgrounds and assess project technology relevance. And also an important thing is to check if this project has strong community. Personally, I would say that this crypto market activity is one of the riskiest. Not every project launches successfully. Even more of them are scams. Personally, I was scammed on 3 Ethereums in 2017. How to find people that will sign up by your link on exchanges and get money from their commissions? As you might know, exchanges offer part of commissions of a user if this user was invited by you and signed up by your referral link. There are two ways of how to make people sign up by your referral links. You can invite your friends on exchange, or you can find people through the internet. First way is easy, the second is pretty hard. No matter how many friends you have, their list is gonna end sooner or later. So you need to find someone somewhere else. Well, you can find people on the internet by making content. You can create useful content or education materials, you can write articles, you can make videos, and you need to add your link on exchange for people to sign up. So don't forget to tell people that your link minimize commissions for them, so they get motivated to sign up by your link. One of the most entertaining ways to earn money in crypto are play-to-earn games. Most play-to-earn games reward users with tokens or in-game assets through activities like completing tasks, participating in battles, or contributing to the in-game economy. For example, in Axie Infinity, players could earn SLP tokens by winning battles, while the sandbox lets users create and sell virtual assets. In-game assets and tokens are usually tradable on decentralized exchanges or major platforms like Binance. Players can convert in-game tokens into Ethereum or other major cryptocurrencies and then cash out them through exchanges. Some of recent play-to-earn games for which you can look up are Call of the Void, Super Champs, and The Backwoods. Play-to-earn games are popular because it is an easy way to earn money. But how much? Profitability of these games can depend on in-game token inflation, game mechanics, and changing demand. Some games can be profitable, some not. Personally, I prefer not to spend much time on these games. But if you finally followed my advice from the previous part of the video, where I recommend you to start making content, then you can share referral links to these games as you share referral links to the exchanges. If you found some ways of earning money in crypto interesting, you can watch other useful videos on my channel. If you already have a strategy that you want to implement into a working bot or want to test it with our bot, send a message to me on Telegram by the link in the comments and the description.